Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make $10,000 in the fitness and health niche using AI, specifically by creating personalized workout recommendations. If you're passionate about fitness and want to leverage the power of AI to generate income, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. The first step is to define your target audience. Determine who you want to cater to with your personalized workout recommendations. Are you targeting beginners, athletes, or a specific age group? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your AI solution to their needs. Step 2. To create effective workout recommendations, you'll need to gather workout data. This can include exercise routines, fitness goals, body measurements, and any other relevant information. Encourage your audience to provide this data through surveys, fitness apps, or wearables. Step 3. Once you have the workout data, it's time to clean and analyze it. Remove any inconsistencies or outliers to ensure accurate recommendations. Utilize AI techniques like machine learning algorithms to analyze the data and identify patterns that can inform your workout recommendations. Step 4. Now it's time to develop your AI workout recommendation system. Use the analyzed data to train your AI model, which will generate personalized workout plans based on individual goals, preferences, and fitness levels. Consider factors like exercise type, intensity, duration, and frequency. Step 5. Testing is crucial to ensure the effectiveness of your AI workout recommendation system. Collect feedback from users and continuously refine your AI model based on their experiences. This iterative process will help you improve the accuracy and relevance of your workout recommendations. Step 6. To make your AI workout recommendation system accessible to your audience, create a user-friendly interface. Develop a mobile app or a web platform that allows users to input their data, view their personalized workout plans, track progress, and receive real-time feedback. Step 7. To generate revenue, it's important to market and monetize your AI workout recommendation system. Leverage social media platforms to create engaging fitness content and promote your solution. Consider offering a freemium model with additional premium features or partnering with fitness influencers for sponsored content. Step 8. Once you start generating income, it's time to scale and expand your business. Consider collaborating with fitness professionals or gyms to reach a wider audience. Continuously innovate and update your AI model to stay ahead of the competition and provide the best workout recommendations. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make $10,000 in the fitness and health niche using AI, focusing on personalized workout recommendations. Remember, it takes dedication, continuous improvement, and a passion for fitness to succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.